up. How does it? Oh, it works like that. Oh, wow. Magic how that happens. So what is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And yes, I'm in the garage. I'm here with the BMW. Oh, paid off. Not $1,700 a month. And the STS paid off. Not $1,700 a month. I know I'm being petty. But in today's video, we're going to talk about actually charging. If you have one of these Dodge Charger EV Daytona disasters. I saw an uneducated person do a video on trying to supercharge at a Tesla supercharger. And, well, you have to be smarter than the equipment that you're trying to use, or you have to understand how it actually works. He doesn't have any excuse. I think it's all clickbait because he's had a Tesla and he knows how the app works. So, but anyways, I don't care. I'm just going to show you how to do it so you don't have to look like a dumbass like this person. Alright guys, so this is the Tesla app. Can I actually open my... Yay! You can see me on camera. Anyway, this is the Tesla app. It'll let you do all different things, including charging. And as you can see, I plugged mine in. I'm at a 90. I'm charging it to a 90% limit or 95% limit. And I do have it on level 1 at the house because I primarily supercharge if I'm going anywhere. And we'll take a look at that next. So what you do is you actually go in here and you search by specific chargers. It's not hard. And you have to search for one that is NACS or whatever compliant for non-regular Tesla vehicles. This is not hard, but I feel like this is another... I feel like the videos that are being created to, you know, plug a Dodge in somewhere is really just clickbait to get people to go watch a video. Sad. Sad that it comes to that, but... Figured I'd show you exactly how to do it. It's not hard. You go into the app. You search specifically for those chargers. You make sure you add your vehicle as other. Approved vehicles like my BMW i4 worked like a champ. I never had to like do anything else with it but plug it in. It was already registered with the Tesla app. The Hummer EV is also available. I think the Ford Lightning and a bunch of other, well, Mach-E vehicles like that are registered as well. Stellantis doesn't have that agreement with Tesla, so you have to add it as other, and you have to find very specific superchargers to do that. If you live in the middle of bumfuck Egypt, yeah, unfortunately, most of those chargers are old, and you're not going to have it. You have to have a Generation 4 or above supercharger for those to be acceptable and work. So, as in Mod to Fame's video, he's in the New Jersey / New York City area, and they have a much better charging network out there. Same as me. I'm on the West Coast, so most of the chargers out here are fairly updated and work. As you can see, everything here around Las Vegas. Anywho's, that's it. Just a quick video. I hate even doing that, but I just have to do it because now it's just like, let's keep the misinformation and BS and clickbait from off of YouTube. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one.